Respected Mrs. Renna ma'am, I wanted to share some of my experiences when I entered into the Bhavan's college, especially in the boardroom. It was the day of my joining. We got a great welcome from the principal ma'am, and our principal was Professor Dr. Zarin Batena ma'am, and the office of principal. After welcome, it was asked by a respected principal ma'am that to meet Mrs. Rena ma'am for some documentation, and henceforth I meet Rena ma'am for the first time. I was unaware that I shall meet person who shall greet us or talk with us so nicely that we shall get good hope. I meet a very nice person. She was Rena ma'am. After first interaction with her, she expressed to me that sir, you are really lucky that you got recruitment into the Bhavans. I realized that I have reached to a right workplace. After joining the college and the entry, that was the security guard was asking me the showing the ID card. I asked Rena ma'am and about this particular problem, and she resolved it. She have provided me the temporary ID card. After which Rena ma'am has always very helpful and thoughtful to resolve some of my unknown problems. So as a new person, she was so good with us. She was always provided various experience. I was able to share the experiences very freely to her, and Rena ma'am gave us valuable suggestions all the times about the letter drafting. It was her suggestions to it, especially the permission to, if I want to take any permission, if I am asking to Rena ma'am that is it a right time to talk with principal ma'am, she used to say yes or no. But that was really good for us, that due to which I was able to probably complete my task on time, especially during the time of CHB interviews, during time of board of studies meetings. That time when she's told to me that you are HOD and HOD of Bhavan's college, so that has made me a very proud. Sometimes we were working for a number of things, activities, fest. So to get the permissions, always Rena ma'am were supportive. I think whenever we require something like any advice or any guidance or something, as a senior person, she always helped. So I think being a person who have a lot of expertise and in the official work, always about the documentation, about number of things which were earlier were also found into the official as a difficulties to everyone. So such as, let's say, drafting of the letter, any letter, if any query, first of all principal madam used to correct me, and then Rena ma'am used to give some valuable suggestions to make these letters errorless. So I think always she was very nice to us. She always were boosting our morale. As I mentioned that whenever there was CHB interviews or board of study meetings, she used to give us valuable suggestions, and also very important thing is that she used to use the word, Shramik sir, remember you are HOD in the Bhavans college. That was the very I felt very powerful and proud. So I think it's a very ground reality that that a person gets retired. I will also get retired. After one day I will get retired, but let me tell you that me and my department shall miss you, and you were a wonderful colleague and the senior. Wishing you a very happy life after the retirement, and thank you very much.